Hey Captain Derek here, Bake Six Clan. Today we're going to be unboxing the newest Geobox from Geocaching.com. Stay tuned. The last time there was a Geobox that I got, I absolutely loved everything that was in it. It had the water bottle and a lot of that aspect. I am so excited to see what's in this newest one. I've been waiting for this one because there's been such a long time since the last one came out. So we are going to unbox this and see what it is. Now I haven't even seen what's in this, so let's see it is. Okay, I'm going to open it up. Here we go. I'm opening up so you guys can see it. I can't see in there at all, okay? So you're able to see it before I do. Okay, so there's a lot of this different stuff that's in there. Is on this piece of paper right here, which I kind of glanced at it, but I haven't really looked. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to reach in and see what I find first. Let's see. Okay, we got some of these different things, 20% off, and Catherine Holmes for Connect Protect. So there's a piece of paper in there about that. We'll look at that a little bit later. All right, let's see what this first thing is. It feels like, oh wow. Oh wow, that is really cool. That is a huge trackable. Look at the size of that thing. That is just awesome. That is a great trackable. It's a snowflake trackable. That is really cool. I'm really happy with that. Okay, now let's see what else we got. All right, what's this? On this. Okay, another box. All right, let's see what's in this box. Ooh, oh wow. That is a nice flashlight. Woo, that is awesome. I am always looking for a good flashlight, and that is really bright too. Wow, and it's rechargeable, it looks like. That is cool. I really like this flashlight. That is super cool. That's definitely going in my geo bag. That is great. All right, let's see what else we got. Yeah, I keep coming across this big, huge box thing. Let's see what this is. This is Captain Rodney's Pirate Reserve Bacon Cheddar Cheese Straws. Bacon Cheddar Cheese Straws? We drinking out of these things? What are we doing? I mean, it's bacon, so if it's got bacon, it's got to be good, right? All right, let's see what... All right, so figuring out how to get in the package. There we go. Bacon cheddar cheese straws. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty good. Definitely tastes the bacon. All right. And if you want to order more, I can use a code here on here. Get some more. Hey, it's got a little kick to it too. All right, so let's see what we got else. Got okay. Ooh, feels like another trackable. Let's see what this one. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so cool. It's a log with a candle on it. Look at that. That is really cool. I really like that. That is really neat. Of course, I love trackables, so this is just right up there. Really awesome. Okay. Let's see here. What else we got? Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. That's really cool. It's a carabiner. It's a wooden carabiner. Repurposed wood. That is really neat. I mean, I've done caches where I repurpose a lot of the wood that I've used from my shop and stuff like that, my little woodworking shop. And so seeing this as repurposed wood, that is just really cool. I love that. And it's really unique. Check a look at that. That's just really cool. Awesome. All right. There's something else here. What is this? Okay, it's a bandana. Of course, ooh. Oh my gosh. That is really neat. Okay, all right, so there it is. Look at this bandana. Okay, so it has the numbers and the letters all around the outside, but then it breaks it out into Morse code, binary, Braille, flag code. So it's a puzzle key. That is really cool. All right, so if there's anything else. Oh, just another. Oh, it is a wooden sticker from Catherine Holmes. So that must go back to the piece of paper that I had earlier. There's a Catherine Holmes with wooden sticker, and it's of a bird. That is really neat. Bringing attention to threatened species and wildlands. Wow, this has just been such a cool Geobox. Thanks, geocaching.com. This is really cool. I don't do these unboxings a lot, but this one was really cool. Had a little snack as I was able to go through it. This bandana, awesome key for when you're doing those puzzle caches, flashlight, really cool. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. This is the unboxing of the Geobox for the Christmas one, the newest one that just came out. You can go online and find it on the shop and get it from there. Really great, really cool items this time. Thank you so much. And hey, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Go check out one of these other videos just right over here and watch the story behind the cache.